हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू लाइफ टॉक्स बाय रुखसाना। कहते हैं 8 मार्च इज सपोज टू बी वुमेन्स डे। तो आज मैं आपको इंट्रोड्यूस करने वाली हूँ एक ऐसी शक्ति और एक ऐसी नारी से जिसकी वजह से आज मैं यहाँ पर हूँ। शी इज अ वुमन, अ मदर, अ प्रीचर, अ टीचर एंड अ ग्रैंड मास्टर. So I have immense pleasure in welcoming my grandmaster, Miss Mukta Gupta. So GMG, as I call you, I welcome you to this show and thank you so much for accepting my invite, removing time and coming to my show.
Thank you so much for inviting me today.
The pleasure is all mine. That is for sure.
I am also feeling very good while you invited me here. And today is a special day.
Yes.
We are going to talk about something special. So
Yes.
I'm very keen, very happy to be here.
Wow. Amazing. Like Women's Day पे you saying yes. So as a grand master, okay, हम हमेशा लगता है हमको कि सब चीज़ें जो मास्टर्स है उनको बहुत आसानी से मिलती है. They are very easily into the life. तो क्या हम स्टार्ट करें with your journey, how you came into healing?
Okay.
Yes. And I'll tell you, सबको नहीं पता है ये स्टोरी, तो आज मैं स्पेशली आपके लिए ये स्टोरी लेकर आई हूँ.
Okay. So I have to go back to my memory lane.
Yes.
How it is all happened. Okay. It's like I got married and I had my daughter, and after that we moved to Hong Kong. Beautiful place. I enjoyed a lot, and the cause was my husband Samir had a job offer there, so we moved there, and we started like a different country, new culture and everything. There was a language issue also that time.
Okay.
And it is like almost 20 years back, I can say that, yeah.
Okay.
So things were little difficult there, adjusting food and all. But yeah, I was enjoying my life. And sudden, Samir had slipped disc, my husband, yeah. So things were started getting difficult. And that time there was a downtime came up that time market was down. That
अच्छा,
was
हाँ.
Low period of
The whole market.
World, yeah.
Okay.
That was the time around 2000, I think 2001 and 2 it was like that. So the jobs and all was getting very bad, and we had to slip this. So somehow we managed to live there for 2.5 years, and we moved back to Delhi.
Okay.
So Delhi also he joined a new job, yeah, and 2 years we lived there, settled bit, and yeah, again that atmosphere changed and all. I started kind of in Hong Kong actually I started developing asthma.
Oh.
And asthma I never knew before that it is that kind of severe thing.
अच्छा.
I was hospitalized and yeah, then I got to know, okay, it is a constant thing. I have to keep taking medicine and proper under kind of check condition that what kind of feeling I am having and all. Medically. Yeah, then I moved to Delhi and Delhi was polluted a bit more. So little bit aggravation was there. So I adjusted somehow, and then my son came up into my life. Beautiful. It happened. And my husband planned to shift it again.
Okay.
To take a new job. And
Okay.
it's in Singapore this time.
Okay.
So the things were happening, shifting, moving. Even though I was enjoying, but something in me was creating some kind of stress. I was in constant anger.
Okay.
Anger was like not eating or beating someone. Anger with everything I was looking in a different angle.
Okay.
Like if a small thing happens in life or small thing changes, I used to react strongly.
Okay.
Yeah.
So there were mood swings, you could say? Mood swings were there?
See, if I'll tell you, I cannot put into terms also.
Achha.
Because that was kind of past, I have left it.
Oh.
So yeah, things were happening.
Hmm.
And I don't know how did my husband bear with me that time. Yeah, but when I recall that period, it was not very smooth.
Okay.
Definitely was not smooth.
So there was some unease. There was
Unease.
something which you know that was not
It's
right.
not right, and I'm not that kind of was not that kind of person I was supposed to. I used to be very calm and balanced kind of. After having something also, I was not happy
Yeah.
somewhere.
Yeah.
And,
So there was a good life. You were traveling the world. You had children.
yes.
And still there was something which was amiss.
something was missed. I was feeling empty from inside.
Okay.
And from the Singapore, yeah, as usual after 2.5 or 3 years, we moved back to Delhi again.
Okay.
And in Delhi, there was my health started becoming much more in a stress way. I can say stress become much more, and that was showing on my kids also now.
Okay. Fine.
So that
Got
was
it.
a time I have seen that in Singapore, my son started developing some kind of allergies, constant allergies. The doctor said, "Oh, it is going to be lactose intolerance and all."
Oh.
He was different kind of milk and all food, different kind of food, and maybe it was creating something unease in me,
Okay.
and I was not getting a way to let it out also. So everything was storing in me.
Okay.
That could be a reason also. I was creating much more stress,
Acha.
and I was having sleepless nights also.
Okay.
I used to have constant headaches. My heartbeat was used to be unusually high.
Acha. The
That was-
palpitation
Yeah,
part
yeah,
that
yeah,
used to
yeah.
be there. Okay.
Yeah. So doctor used to say it's not a right kind of
Yeah.
situation for
For the age
young
also, I
yeah.
think, yeah, the
Quite
age
young
also,
age,
yeah.
That was happening. The asthma was a part of it. And it was, according to doctor, it's a kind of pre-stage of BP, blood pressure and all.
Okay.
Yeah, it was happening. And all this was creating unrest in the house atmosphere also. Kids were not happy because I am into constant stress.
Constant stress.
And
Yeah, I can
It's
understand.
actually it is like that. We say if a woman happy in a house,
Ah.
the house environment becomes so peaceful, happy, cheerful.
Yes,
You can
yes.
make out a big difference.
Yes.
If a woman of the house is not
Ah.
happy, healthy, you can see that little distress,
Yeah.
unrest,
पता है मतलब हम बच्चे थे तभी अगर
Yeah.
मम्मा का मूड ठीक नहीं है तो
हाँ.
वी कुड कम मेक आउट के हाँ यार शी इज नॉट इन अ
Yeah.
गुड मूड कुछ करना नहीं है आज
घर की हवा ही
बदल जाती है राइट राइट
That used to happen actually.
But there was one thing I want to know, okay, how did you realize that this is an issue? Because many of us, we don't know that this is an issue. How did you realize it?
Okay, yes. If I'll tell you very clearly, it was my kids, my husband was also going through with some kind of financial issues that time.
Okay.
In between the jobs and all was
Huh,
happening. So I felt I can't live my life like this. Always in between the medicine. Everywhere
In a
I was
stressful
looking,
environment,
It's
yes.
nobody was happy actually.
Acha.
Like husband is in a different zone,
Ah.
doing, my kids were not healthy. Constant medication taking care of them. And it was creating some kind of burden on, I was feeling I'm losing myself somewhere. So inner woman, inner mother or a lady that come up, okay,
The Nari
बहुत
Shakti.
हो गया यार. So now I have to take up something that yeah, कुछ करना है अब.
अच्छा.
So I was searching, asking universe. I believe in universal energy. My form of worshipping
Yes.
is a different way. I can sit anywhere and do my worshipping. It is my way, in a very practical way. So I used to do that, and I asked universe, please show me a way that I can change or create a smooth
something.
life for myself and my family, or I can help me and myself with a better environment, and that can create even other people. that I was looking that time. That it's not, I was the only one who was going through with that issue.
No.
I have seen many ladies because when we used to go down to play with the kids, I used to see other ladies also complaining about the same thing, same issue. So that was happening. So I was looking something that can create more for me, myself, than other also.
Wow,
So
that's amazing.
that time I can say Reiki come to in my life and my grandmaster.
Okay.
Sukita Chopra, she accepted me as her child or as a student. So I
In her
started,
Chhatra Chaya, yeah. So there's
You
again
can
another
say-
woman
yes,
involved,
another
yes.
woman. And she was quite aged. I think she was 70 that time. But the power, that
The
energy, and her, I can say, when I used to talk to her, she was full of life.
Okay.
Usually we see 60, 70 age ladies.
Yeah, they're already
You can-
like,
yeah, in
हाँ भाई अब तो खत्म हो
certain
गए
zone.
या.
But she was like, okay, you cannot live your life like this. You should do this. She used to treat me like a child, and she used to keep me straight and give me left and right. You're not doing this right. Do this right.
ओके ओके
So I
तो अब
just-
मुझे समझ में आ रहा है कि मुझे कैसे कहाँ से मिलता है वो आपका लेफ्ट एंड राइट. ये नहीं करती है तू, ये नहीं करती है, जो बोलती हूँ वो कर, फिर देखते हैं.
Could be.
Yeah, could
Maybe
be.
I learned that way.
Yeah, but then that helped me, so
Yeah.
I am very happy. Okay.
Sometimes
that-
we required a little push that
Yes.
we thought we are doing, but we are not doing enough. So that is the way I get little pushed. But yeah, I can say it was wonderful. And I used to do whatever she used to say with full belief. This is something that can change or create something good in my life.
Okay.
I don't know what it was.
So you
that
did
time.
not stop in, and you did not decide I will be the Abla Nari. No, you were not into that zone at
Not
all.
at all.
Yeah.
Even not earlier also. But yeah, like we are conditioned like that.
Yes.
Okay, adjust,
The society,
adjust.
yes.
So right now also it's like a, see, everybody's life is adjusting with each other. We cannot say only women are adjusting. Even men are also adjusting somewhere at a different point of time in different way. Maybe we are not acknowledging them. So yeah, I was adjusting somewhere without awareness. Now I do everything with awareness because of healing. So Reiki come up at level 1, level 2, level 3. Then masters come, and after that grandmasters also come up into
Yes.
that with the blessings of God, goddesses,
Yes.
guides,
Yes,
angels.
sure,
I can say that.
And thanks to them that came into my life also.
Yeah, that happened. And with the Reiki, after that, it came up angels, wonderful modality, and the crystals. One of my, I can say all of my favorites.
Yes.
Yeah.
And you remember each and everyone's name, and I am still like, it is so mind-boggling for me. How do you remember the names of all the crystals?
Yeah, I do.
I just, okay, this is this color, this is this color. I don't know the name.
That happens when you start working with them, they start talking to you.
Yeah.
That happens.
Maybe.
And then, yeah, one more shift happened.
Yes.
I moved to Bombay.
Okay, from Delhi ki girl, you came to Mumbai, so you become Mumbaikar.
Yeah. So I started loving Mumbai again. I was loving everywhere.
Yeah.
The only thing, something was maybe I
A
had to
miss.
go with that path that I was not acknowledging. I say that time. Okay, then I started learning DNA Theta,
Yeah.
one more wonderful modality,
Okay.
and many more like pendulum dowsing, aromatherapy,
Okay.
mudras,
Oh.
certain positions of fingers. We tap the
Okay, that also comes into the healing
Yes.
modality. Wow.
Yeah, actually, in a different way.
Huh.
Like yoga or mudras, they come into different parallel lines. But yeah, usually we can combine it, and that
Wow.
helps a lot.
Wow.
And these modalities, I felt we can use anywhere, anytime. We don't
Okay.
have to look for a special corner to sit and do it.
Okay.
That is why I'm loving them.
Okay, so with this modalities, we come to our journey of spirituality.
Yeah, one
So
more came
we,
up is quantum healing.
so we'll
That
just
is
take a
wonderful.
break
Yeah.
and then get back to the spirituality part, which is
Wonderful.
very interesting.
Yes.
और अब हम बात करेंगे spirituality के बारे में. So GM जी बहुत सारे myths हैं spirituality को लेकर, तो हम कोशिश करेंगे कि हम काफी चीजों को क्लियर करें. So आप बताइए कि what is spirituality exactly?
Okay, spirituality. It's a very, very huge word actually.
Yes.
For me, spirituality means knowingness or knowledge of yourself within.
Okay, that's lovely.
Yeah. And with that knowledge, create something good for other people's life. It's spirituality.
Okay. इतनी छोटे से में ये एक्सप्लेन हो गया. That's
It's
very beautiful.
Everything actually. If you just go through with the words again,
हाँ.
अपने आप को जानना it's not a simple thing.
Yes, I know.
अंदर से जानना आप क्या हो, क्या करना चाहते हो, that is the biggest thing. And वो knowledge आने के बाद आप दूसरों के लाइफ में क्या क्रिएट करोगे. We always look forward to help each other. We should actually. And you will reach a certain point that it become a motto of your life, that the way you have outgrown or grown in your life, same way you can help other people. So
Okay.
they are looking for the path, they are looking for the way they want to live their life easily,
Okay.
and that वो रास्ता is spirituality.
Okay, that's lovely. So many a times we think that if we become religious, बहुत ज़्यादा, then we become spiritual also. So how is this connection? Is there any connection? कहीं कहीं पे हम गलत फहमी में पड़ जाते हैं कि okay, if we do lot of jap or if we do pray a lot, तो हम spiritual हो गए. So is what exactly is spiritual? Because अगर हम ज़्यादा पढ़ भी रहे हैं, whatever if you are doing, I don't think we come to know each other or yourself. तो हम spirituality में इसको कैसे लेंगे? How knowing yourself?
See, my way of seeing and think about everything is in a very practical way and
Okay.
outer way also. How I can relate for the other people's life.
Okay.
Yeah, within I told that I would like to work within me.
हाँ.
हाँ, ठीक है, आप अपने लिए काम करो. लाइक इट्स नॉट कि आप बैठ के घंटों आपने जाप किया, घंटों आपने पूजा की, तो आपने सिर्फ अपने लिए वर्क किया.
हाँ. Right.
आप
Right.
अपने लिए कर रहे हैं.
Right. Yes.
ठीक है, इट्स अनदर वे टू रीच द लेवल आई से so called guided by our kind masters and
Yes.
yeah,
Yes.
they have given that path. That is somewhere helping, but they are doing that only for themselves.
Okay.
What are you creating in this human world?
Yeah. Right. So it's from us. It expands to
Yeah,
everybody.
that is my way of thinking. It's
Acha.
not that everybody's.
Very
But
true.
The way
Very
I
true.
look towards other thing also, that whatever I learned, it should get spread out.
Yes.
This
Yes,
is my
that's
way,
beauty,
my
yeah.
motto. The same way I felt you get knowledge of yourself. Make yourself that much strong,
Huh.
that much aware. Learn everything and expand yourself.
Okay. So you raise your energy
We
levels.
should.
So we come to the energy part. So energy, which is like amazing thing. So how do we talk about energy with regards to you?
Okay. Energy is
Energy is
everywhere.
everywhere. Yeah, it is everywhere.
Yeah.
And it's amazing. Like when we
Yeah.
started working with the energy, it was really lovely, really
So
amazing.
how to tell them in a scientific way? I can see the scientists who are measuring that a force or something that connecting each other.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
We can say that is energy. But in a
Achha.
scientific way, they say is an atom,
Uh-huh. Right.
subatoms
Okay.
like electrons, protons, neutrons. Yeah.
Okay.
And they see in that language.
So it is properly atomic based or physics, science based.
Yeah, this is.
So we learn according to that.
I would like to work with a practical knowledge. I can just go with that कि आपने मुझे बोला
हाँ
आप इतना पढ़ लोगे तो आपको सब कुछ आ जाएगा.
हाँ
My way, the way I've learned also was that I wanted to know what is the real base of it,
हाँ
from where it has started, what is a कहाँ से ये शुरू हुआ और क्यों कोई ऐसे आके आपको बोल रहा है और आप कर लोगे.
नहीं
हम
बिल्कुल
ऐसा
नहीं
कैसे कर सकते
बिल्कुल
हैं.
नहीं राइट
That was me who used to think like that. I used to ask my masters, with the different modalities, different masters came. So I used to ask lots of questions to them.
वाओ
And sometimes they used to say, Mukta, please, आप थोड़ा चुप हो जा पढ़ाने. Because my curiosity was that, आप कह रहे हैं ठीक है, पर आया कहाँ से, हम क्यों करें? ऐसे ही थोड़ी ना ठीक है, I respect you. But there is something that has to
should
be,
appeal to you
yeah,
yes
to
right
me. So I've learned through, I've gone through with many scientific researches also, and so I started connecting my healing work, energy work
हाँ
with the practical scientific experiments also.
okay
Yeah.
oh wow
So they are gelling very well. So I can say they are talking about we and they are talking about the same thing, but in
Achha.
a different way.
different way
But
okay
meeting in a like they're coming from different direction and meeting on a set.
wow
saying the
that's
same
amazing
thing.
that's amazing
Yeah.
that's really a very different way of
Yeah.
looking at things
Yeah, it's
so how do we connect spirituality and energy के बारे में I have heard about our chakras and then you talk about your aura then you have the center points the energy points so how do we explain that in a very simple and subtle way
okay. So if I go a bit of yogic term,
okay
that being like when we go to our old books and all, so they talk about 5 elements,
okay
right? Earth, water, fire, air and space, right? So everything is around us in that form,
okay
and all 5 elements all together make energy. It's become energy.
oh so the 5 tattva that we
Yes.
talk about wow
All
lovely
together it can turn up into energy. You can just see our energy form in 5 elements also. We can
Okay.
divide like that.
wow
See, the fire have heat energy.
yeah
Water has like subtle energy, calming energy. It gives us when we feel really low in our body, feel very tired and all. When we drink water, it gives
it
sudden
rejuvenates
boost.
right
Yes, rejuvenate. The space we require. Sometime when we go out to take a breathe and we look up towards sky,
yeah
you feel like sudden energy boost. You feel wow, we are in a beautiful place.
exactly
The air
exactly
you require to breathe to live. Yes.
right absolutely amazing
And what else is there? And water,
air water
fire.
space
Fire,
fire
gives you-
element
yes,
oh
yes.
my god
It's most important. I can say it can burn down anything and create everything.
wow but in सब तत्वों में मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि there is we talk about energy as male and female energy मैंने ऐसे सुना है कि you know it has both the powers together so this energy का amalgamation हम कैसे करते हैं with respect to chakras like we have the male energy and the female energy तो हम इसका balancing कैसे करते हैं and how does chakras come into this thing
So first I'll start with the energy where we store in our body.
okay
And that is also very yogic and now it's a proven scientific also. Some Russian scientists, they have taken pictures of chakras.
Oh,
with
really?
Yeah, they have taken this called aura photography and they can scan chakras also with that. So we store our energy, or we can say 5 elements in our body
okay
in 7 major chakras.
oh wow
Yeah.
oh that's lovely
Yeah, in a form of chakras we store, and from that chakras, it's that energy circulate to our organs, our veins, the whole body. I
the
can
whole
say.
body okay
Each and every cell molecule of the body, and we get energized through it.
okay
So
that's
we
good.
absorb from outside, we give the energy from inside to outside. So that every process create an electromagnetic field.
Oh. And that is how we are related to each
Yes,
other.
you can
Like
say.
electromagnetic
Yes,
field
yes.
means we attract, we repel. So that is what the all
You can
energy
say
work is.
everybody have their own kind of surrounding,
Special energy.
special energy, and according to our inner chakras or inner energy, we expend that energy outside also.
Okay.
We reflect that energy, and the scientific term of that energy aura is called electromagnetic field. You
Wow.
can just say that example of Wi-Fi.
Acha.
We are kind of Wi-Fi when we are turn it on. And then,
Okay.
yeah, so that wherever the Wi-Fi shows its signal that I am here, you now you can connect,
You
right?
can connect, yeah.
And any amount of instrument you can connect, any gadgets you can connect, right?
So we can actually become the Wi-Fi with our energy.
Yes, we are
Wow,
Wi-Fi
that's
of
amazing.
it. And with the 7 chakras, we reflecting that kind of aura, that electromagnetic field, and the
Wow.
way we communicate with each other.
Okay.
Okay, I'll just take you there also. Take a small, maybe you have acknowledged that before. When you go out somewhere, if you go to a big out place, but somewhere you feel like constructed, tired
just
already,
हाँ
don't feel good, you feel like okay बहुत हो गया,
हाँ
चलो
हाँ
अब चलते हैं,
हाँ
kind of that.
right होता है
Right?
होता है होता है.
So that is a place energy that is giving you some kind of electromagnetic field, and
Oh.
that your body is not able to resonate it.
Okay, so we are repelling.
Yes,
Like
your body
to,
is saying,
yeah,
okay,
same
this is
concept.
not good
Good for
please
me.
go out.
Yes, absolutely.
And remember, when you go to some small place,
Yeah.
and there's so full of life, even the 10 people are in the room,
Yes.
still you feel
Still
very
you feel
lovely,
comfortable and yes,
you
yes.
enjoy their company in that place. Is even it's not made up very beautifully, still
Yeah.
you feel, oh wow, the walls are good, even
Yeah,
a
you
small
just-
dent on that wood is also, wow, so pretty. That happens.
Yes, because
Yeah,
we just
usually
want
it happens.
to, yeah, we just feel
Yeah.
कि okay, we can, यहाँ पे
Yeah.
हम रह सकते हैं काफी टाइम तक. We
Yes.
just don't want to get out of that
Yeah, you
part.
really enjoy that.
Yeah.
That place energy is wow.
Wow, that's amazing.
Electromagnetic field of that.
Wow, that's
The
amazing.
same way I can say, now you come up to male, female, we can say masculine and feminine
Yes,
part of it.
yes.
Everybody has that.
Okay.
We have a strong area of our life as a female. We have some kind of a strong part in our personality.
Yes,
We
yes.
take a step forward, like judgment. We are doing that. Sometimes we have to take a
The
strong
decision-making
So
powers.
that come into masculine energy,
हाँ.
and we can say that males are also having the masculine energy. Is
The feminine part
feminine
also.
part
They have both.
yeah.
So a person
that's
has both the energies
both the
together.
energies,
Okay.
yes. The only thing is that the male are having the masculine energy
Yeah.
much more, and the
Gotcha.
females have feminine energy much more.
Okay.
The more dominant part. That's why we can say she's female and she's male.
Hmm.
Yeah, you can see that a few female, they really behave like bossy,
Yes.
dominating. So we can
Yes.
say that person's masculine energy is much little bit higher than feminine.
Okay. So can we develop this part or both the parts together in a balanced way? Can
yes,
we do that?
Yes, we can
So
do.
how do we do
So
that?
everything is a balance, right?
Yeah.
See, everything we are having in our life, it should be in balance. We can start with a little food also, for example. If we are eating something, we cannot eat should not eat actually, any food. We just eating, that
Yeah.
our body is not able to take it.
Accepting.
So
Right.
everything is like a balance.
Hmm.
खाना भी उतना जाना चाहिए जो बॉडी ले सके,
बिल्कुल.
पानी भी आपको उतना पीना चाहिए, बिकॉज डॉक्टर से इतना पानी
इतना मत पियो. Right. I know.
Right,
I know.
everything
I
is
know.
there.
I know.
सो एवरीथिंग इज बैलेंस.
Yes.
तो जहाँ पे बैलेंस नहीं है वहीं पे आपके इश्यूज प्रॉब्लम्स.
Create होना शुरू हो जाता है.
So we can balance all these energies,
Okay.
or we can say our energy, body energy, our chakras, our aura, and everything with the
Wow.
healing modalities.
Okay.
That can be done.
So हमारी जो healing modalities है, when we talk about Reiki, we talk about angel therapy, then we talk about crystals, and then now I've been into yeah, DNA Theta. I haven't touched it yet, but
Wonderful modality.
quantum, like it was just magic. It is so fast. It is so quick. So what exactly does this healing modality do to your chakras?
Okay, so I'll start with little of that. Like every day we create so many thoughts.
Yes.
There is a science study is going on, and in that they have shown or they have proven that every day a human being, they create almost 60 to 70,000 thoughts per day.
1,000 thoughts.
Yes, thousands.
My God. We don't
And
even realize that,
we don't
right?
realize that, yes. And few thoughts are like that. They keep on coming back.
Yes,
into
the whole
circle.
day.
Yeah, whole day.
Yeah.
Repeating in our mind, going, coming.
हाँ.
And these kind of repetition.
या नाश्ते में क्या बनाना है, दोपहर को क्या खाना है, शाम को क्या बनाना है, रात को क्या. यस, मतलब ये तो एग्जांपल्स है.
आज इस बेटे को ये पसंद नहीं आएगा तो उसके लिए और क्या बनाना है. Then we start getting angry because एक और extra sometimes we are not having time.
Exactly.
That stress start creating.
Yes.
And with the stress we are creating food. So what we are doing with our electromagnetic field, with that aura, with that energy, we are making that food.
Okay.
We are transforming a special kind of energy.
तो वो सच में नहीं खाएगा. सच में नहीं
नहीं खाएगा और it cannot be that kind of purity that is supposed to be.
Exactly. Wow. Never thought that way. Never thought that way.
So it's a science actually. If you say yeah, it's an energy word, but not very, very practical. You use it every day, every time.
So if we could contaminate the food, definitely the chakras also must be getting contaminated.
Naturally, that
because
happens.
that is energy. So
Yeah.
energy is going to get depleted, or it is going to get ganda, dirty. So how do we come up with a
see what happens? The stress we have created, and that somewhere it is start affecting either our you can say in a chakra term, third eye chakra or throat chakra or heart chakra, because somewhere we are not making the food with love, with the anger we are making, or what will happen that it will start affecting the person's solar plexus, the stomach area. So somewhere we are transforming that energy not so good. When we say कि mother cannot make बच्चे को
बीमार नहीं कर सकते,
but then it is happening. It's not intentionally it's happening. It's
right.
Unintentionally something happens. We don't know.
Yeah, because thoughts just come up, right? We don't create the thoughts; they just come up.
And they just flow and go, come back, comes back, flow and comes back. Constant going on. You can take example of like corporate life now. Men's are going out, even the females also now in our corporate, but they are going out and
day-to-day work. Then you have your upline, you have your downline, you have your boss, then you have your colleagues, colleagues, and then targets. My God, deadlines, everything. So we are in constant stress, right?
Stress, the thought process, the anger, that unease, that you sometimes you say, आज बात नहीं करूँगा, या आज हम ये जॉब छोड़ ही देते हैं.
हाँ, right.
One
constant thought रहता है पीछे के, नहीं यार ये होगा ही नहीं.
We are driving back and honking constantly. वो गुस्सा उधर निकल रहा है, and that's creating some more aggression with the right and left side cars, traffic, all aggregate कर रहे with the honking and all. And the same energy with the coming back to our home.
Baapre, my God, this is such a big circle, like
such a big circle,
and we are creating it daily. So we are adding up so much to everything, and just imagine, बेचारे वो चक्रा का हाल क्या होता होगा with that.
We are just creating imbalance with the stress, with the all thought process. I can say that I'll not give the term of everything. With all the thought process we have created, with that creation, our inner side, what it get imbalance.
Wow.
The chakras get haywire, their energy get depleted.
Okay.
And yes, we can use the modalities to cleanse them, to re-energize them,
Okay.
and somewhere we can come into a balanced state.
Okay.
That happens.
In this modality, I really want to put the point of meditation.
Yeah.
बिकॉज मेनी अ टाइम्स हमको ऐसा लगता है कि हम अगर मेडिटेटिव जोन में है या हम अगर मेडिटेशन कर रहे हैं, हम अगर आधे घंटे के लिए मेडिटेट करें, 1 घंटे के लिए मेडिटेट करें, तो हमारे पास हर चीज का सवाल, हर सवाल का जवाब आ जाएगा, एवरीथिंग विल कम अप. बट समहाउ इट हैज नॉट रिलेटेड इट टू इन माई लाइफ. लाइक सिटिंग कंटिन्यूसली इतना टाइम कहाँ है पहली बात तो. सो हाउ डू यू मेडिटेट, गेट द रिजल्ट्स, but still do it in a quick way?
Okay.
And how relevant is meditation? जिस हिसाब से बताया जाता है कि sit for half an hour, 1 घंटा, अपने आप को शांत करो, and how is this relevant?
Okay, what is meditation?
So,
Okay, meditation is connecting with yourself, and you're the source whom you are connected.
okay.
You can give any term, any name.
Huh.
The God particle, God, spiritual energy,
Hmm.
higher spirit, yeah. Any God, goddess's name, whomever you believe.
You believe. Huh.
Yeah, जिन पे भी आप believe करते हैं, it's getting connected to them.
Yes.
That takes you somewhere that give your surrendering to yourself to that part. I'm saying, okay, I'm leaving everything to you.
Hmm.
Please balance me. Please create ease in me. What we are looking for.
बट नॉर्मली हम जब मेडिटेटिव जोन में होते हैं, सो जरूरी नहीं है कि थॉट्स गायब हो जाए. इट डजंट हैपन. द थॉट्स आर देयर
Thoughts are
कंटिन्यूअसली.
meant to be happen.
ओके.
Once we are in a balanced state, that thought will not create imbalance in us.
ओके.
We can acknowledge them. Okay, this thought is not good for me. So you start working towards it, or you started becoming aware. Like, okay, this is happening. So I have to slow down, or the things have to move fast.
Okay, so it is more of thinking about yourself and the journey that you are going through. So you get a perspective outside of yourself. Okay, so GMG, when we talk about the stress level, so हम इस पैंडेमिक को, इस कोविड-19 को हम छोड़ नहीं सकते, राइट?
Right.
इसमें तो बहुत ज्यादा स्ट्रेस जनरेट हुआ है. तो हाउ कैन वी इसको झेलो फायर, इफ यू से इन
So
a
how to
strong
come out from this?
yes.
So first we have to know what really happened to our life in this pandemic. क्या क्या change हुआ? The lifestyle changed drastically. That we were just doing our work morning to evening, going out from house in a certain time and coming back home. So we were interacting with each other very few hours. So that was okay for us, and we were gelling well, not going in too much into each other's life also.
अच्छा, you're talking about the family zone.
Family
zone, हाँ.
Right? That was happening. Now what is really happening?
No.
We are constantly seeing each other's face and asking help for each other, and with every work, everything has to done. We want acknowledgement from other person, whether the person like it or not like it. That is happening. So that is the first thing happening, that stress. Same time, we are not enjoying each other's company
Yes.
in certain level.
Yes.
We are not used to of it actually.
Okay. Right.
Before, earlier we can say we used to live in a very big joint families, and we used to live to see so many cousins, so many uncles, aunts in a big house, and we are so used to of seeing people around us. So there was no kind of me time, and we got used to so much me time, right?
Right.
So that is not happening.
Huh.
And even 2 kids or 3 kids in a one room they turn up into a big fight.
Yeah.
This is my corner, that is my corner. That is actually happening. What is that creating? It is unnecessary anger
Uh-huh.
and blame on each other. That is happening actually.
Yes.
It's not a easy thing to deal with it, and unnecessary stress.
Okay.
Yep, and so many things like happen. People's life is turned ups and down financially,
Yes.
physically, mentally, because physically we cannot go out. We are like a social, we human is a social animal.
Yes.
We are so used to of weekends पे family के साथ outing or meeting with our other friend circle,
Yes.
and that is not happening at all.
Yeah.
So we are not getting any kind of let out to
Yeah.
interact with the person and to share our own things, our little bit of
Yeah.
stress.
The privacy, you could say, is totally gone.
Yeah, it's totally gone,
Yeah.
and we are not sharing our so-called friends talk, whom we feel comfortable to talk to each other and
Yes.
share everything. That is somewhere missing because they are also busy
Yeah.
in their life. So that is happening, and people are getting a come out from it. That unnecessary imbalance is created, unnecessary, and so much. I can say economy पे काफी effect पड़ा है.
Yeah, financially we are just we are hit a lot.
Yes,
And
yes.
there's you could say a lot of fear generated,
Fear,
like
pain,
financial fear,
pain
yeah,
of
emotional fear.
Yes, emotional pain. I can say in that way, pain in sense of not able to do the certain thing they are used to.
Yes, yes.
That pain.
Everything is
Yes.
upside down.
So it's become so much fearful around, and with that is leading to getting us effect on our emotional health as well.
Right.
So people are feeling very in a depressed, little bit of depressed state of life, low in life, you can say,
Yeah.
low period of life, and they're constant on a thought of creating something, but it's not happening.
Yes.
They're too much in front of gadgets, too much in front of working online,
Yes.
and they're
Yes.
not getting any kind of break as well.
Right.
See, if you're working in an office, you can just get up for 5-10 minutes, have to take a chat with your coworker or say hi.
Yes.
That kind of releasing their own stress and energy. That जो बैठ के उन्होंने क्रिएट किया, जो भी उनके सराउंडिंग में क्रिएट हो रहा था, the burden, it is some kind of lows down. That is not happening. They are constantly sitting on front of laptop, their workplace they have created. So they are not getting even a break for themselves.
Yes, so it is getting mixed up. Yeah, the house energy, the work energy, everything is getting mixed and creating more
So that
issues.
is creating much more imbalance,
Right.
much more haywire of energy.
Yes, absolutely.
Yes, that is happening, and that is showing into family members.
Okay. Yes,
Because they're
absolutely.
living in this environment constantly.
So, जब हम नॉर्मल या लेमैन की बात करते हैं, वी से कि बहुत स्ट्रेस है, ये है, वो है. What about spiritual people? Do spiritual people don't have any issues, or they don't have any problems, or like y'all are like मतलब आप अपने आप को अलग रख सकते हो? Does that happen?
Okay, very good question, but answer is no. that not at all happens. Reason is that so ऐसा नहीं है कि आपने एक बार किया और ये आपका ये परमानेंट इलाज हो गया.
अच्छा.
You are not permanently healed. Yeah, you get balance, healed for certain extent.
Okay.
Yeah. Just I spoke to you before earlier also, like so many thoughts we are creating every day, right? So if we are creating so much every day, we have to release everything.
Right. Exactly.
Right? Okay, just I'll give you example of mobile.
अच्छा.
आपने मोबाइल चार्ज किया, रात को रखा या दिन में रखा, सर्टन आवर्स के लिए आपने रखा, 12 घंटे, 24 घंटे, राइट? तो आपने उसको यूज किया, and you're using, sometimes you're using less, sometimes you're using.
Recharge it.
Recharge.
Simple, right? Recharge it.
आपने इसी तरीके से आपने एक बार अपने आप को क्लीन किया, प्योर किया.
हाँ.
Very simple, and this is the right way of thinking and doing the balance, the healing. It's not that कि आपको आ गया. It's not like a mantra or just a magic portal. You are hanging. Yeah, it is a magic. I can say, yeah, it's a given gift from the universe, and you are given something in your hand. You are empowered with something that you can utilize for your betterment.
Okay.
The only thing is that connect with that every day.
अच्छा. So it needs to be an ongoing process.
Yes.
ऐसे नहीं एक बार कर लिया और हम यूनिवर्सली हील हो गए, इन्फिनिटी के लिए हील हो गए. इट्स नॉट दैट.
See, we get connected with it very fast for the next time.
Okay.
That is a benefit for you.
अच्छा.
Yeah, for the person who is doing it. So first time it will take maybe little bit time. The second time little bit lesser. So until you get used to of it or get so many practice or doing continuously, so you will have that effect that it's become instant for you.
The results get instant.
The
Right.
results can be instant, and that can create so much in your life, your personal life, your relationships with anybody, with your work, with your family, with your kids, and
With yourself.
with yourself. The first thing, I can say that first you have to take care of yourself, then everything comes after that.
Wow. Amazing. Amazing.
And you can create the relationship, good one, very very good, harmonious, that we are always looking forward towards it.
Okay.
That is, see, we want to live our life with ease, peace, love and joy. That is
Absolutely.
very much
That is
connected to the
ultimately.
relations.
Yes.
The second thing you can get, when you are balanced, you get so much abundance in your life.
Wow. This
It can be monetary, it can be your health, it can be related to your social circle, it can be full of work that you are looking for, that you have been asking the universe, you have been asking, or it can be a dream also, I can say.
Okay.
You have been dreaming to have all these things.
Yeah.
It can be fulfilled only when you start working for it.
Okay. And not necessarily material thing. Just say, as in your case,
Yeah.
you had everything, but the peace that you wanted, that came into your life. Now you were very happy with yourself after that. So one more thing हम जो relate करते हैं, that is the healing part.
Yeah.
Right? The healing, if you go for healings, if you take healings, it will cure, it will take, it is, for me it was more of time consuming. Like I had to be there. For that reason, I felt when I learnt it, it was much easier.
Yeah.
Every day I had those tools in my hand and it was done.
That happens. It is like आपने किसी को healing के लिए बोला कि आप you go to a professional person or a person to give you healings, right? So what can happen? The person will give you a certain time period. That time the person is doing. The person is busy. You are also restricted for that time.
Exactly, yeah.
You have to take out a certain time, and you are investing money also, because everything has exchange for it. If it's not money, it could be anything. It could be
Any services.
any friendly way may also.
Okay.
But something is there to exchange, right? So we can not only do like to take sessions from others. Why don't you do by yourself? Make yourself so much in power, so much self-dependent that you don't have to look outward for the help.
Which is basically
Yes.
that it is a relationship
Yes.
with you, yourself,
Yes.
and just you get healed. And it is so amazing that if we ourselves have the power of healing ourselves, right? Like, learning all these modalities gets you this power. So we again come back to our modalities.
Yeah.
Just give us a glimpse of all the different modalities.
Okay. Like what I have done, or you want me to explain better of it? What you say?
what all the modalities? Just showing like what the modalities are.
Okay. So, like I started my journey with Reiki, and every level it's going to empower you such a way that you include your the level 1 into 2. It's like merging, and you are empowering with it. It's not you're living the first part. It's not like we go to school and college. First class हो गई तो second class में जा रहे हैं तो you're not leaving that behind.
Okay.
So we are merging that knowledge, and that with that only you are you are empowering yourself.
Wow.
So with the Reiki you can just empower yourself with angels. It's a very beautiful connection for peace. You have already learned that you're working with them beautifully. And the crystal. Crystals are amazing, and I can say, I just tell them it's, people do say it's just a stone. Yeah. But for me, there's a energy vibratory system. It's like a generator of energy. It's a creator of energy. Anywhere, everywhere you are keeping it, they're so much receptive and giver. You ask them to please work for me, and they're just there to help. Wow. They just connect with you very well.
And with crystals, you change your whole perception.
Yeah, and the main the best thing in that with the healing modality is that we cannot harm anybody.
Okay, that is important.
They cannot be used in a wrong way, because what is our intention while we do healing? We always say we should do the highest good for all.
Yes. The intentions count.
And best way.
Wow, amazing.
So, it's not me only, it's not the situation, it's not the person only. We are giving our intention to the universal guide.
Okay.
जिन पे हम सब believe करते हैं. We can say creator, one source.
Yeah.
And God particle is a new thing. I got it. Yeah. So, once we just leave everything on it, and things happen accordingly what is right for us. For few people it may take time. For few people it can become instant. But it's amazing.
Wow. But it is really amazing that you can do that, all of that, once you learn everything.
I always prefer people should learn.
Yeah.
See, I can offer them I can tell them take sessions with me and I do actually. Certain period of time. After certain period of time, they are able to take care of themselves. I know now they're in that state. They can go certain way, certain path. I said, tell them, why don't you learn?
Yeah, precisely. Yes, that really helps.
Yeah. Now that is a right way to take up. That is my perception again. Take a person, go ahead in life the way they want to be. I don't want them to depend upon me.
Okay, in that sense, any master or anybody, they don't need to depend. They already have their tools.
See, I can't guarantee others.
Yeah.
But I can talk about myself. This is my thinking. I always prefer what they do. This is magic actually.
Yeah.
If I'll say in my word, simple word, sometimes magic miracle happens.
Yes,
the
absolutely.
only thing we should believe in it.
Yeah.
The same way I say, healing works when we start believing in it. My belief is that, okay, take for some time the sessions and make yourself empowered with it.
Wow, with the word empowerment. So, since you are here, and I don't want to miss the chance of having a small self-analyzing session with you, and for our audience, अगर आप 1-2 मिनट का कुछ guided अगर आप हमारे साथ कर सको, so we will be very happy. And of course, my audiences. So
wonderful, sure, I'll do that. So for that you have to just guiding you. पहले आपको क्या करना है? So you have to close your eyes for that.
Yes.
And I'll guide you for the a few times breathe in, breathe out.
Okay.
So that is basically to relax you and to calm you down.
And any disclaimer हम लगा ले, जैसे हम traveling के वक्त या driving के वक्त हम इसको ना सुने.
Why it's good you have noted that. It is always good. We should be in a state of calming ourselves.
Okay.
While we are driving, we cannot focus on ourselves.
Okay.
So this can be done anytime but not while you're moving.
Acha, okay.
So
Okay,
you
not
can
in a
sit
moving zone.
like
Okay.
you're sitting with me, and we can talk after that also, like 5-10 minutes.
Okay.
And while if you want to do like in an urgent basis, if you're driving, why don't you park your car somewhere?
Acha, okay.
Take a break and give yourself a kind of
Time.
जो भी time है practice करनी है अभी. Give yourself that time, then you can start again.
Okay, so
Or before sleeping also.
yes,
That is what
that
I
helps
do.
a lot. So
Yes.
you're along with us, with my whole team. हम एक छोटा सा just like a small blessing, हम एक activity करते हैं. Just let us know कि हम कब start कर सकते हैं.
Okay.
And
So,
what can we
all
do?
team okay?
Yeah.
Ready?
Ready.
So you're on respective seats. How about you, Ruxana? Are you
Yes.
ready?
Yes, always ready.
Okay, I'm also
Okay.
ready. All set?
Yes.
Okay. So I would say please remove your watches
Okay. Fine.
and your glasses. Wonderful.
It's always a blessing to have this with you.
So
I'm
I
really
love
excited.
to do it. It can help others also. So I'm going to take you a little bit of cleansing process,
Okay.
so that you can think about any of the issue that is. It can be today, or it can be like past that is nagging you.
Mhm.
It can be big or small, anything, and think about it. That is literally or affecting you. You want to go out from that zone, or that kind of emotion.
Thought वो emotion
thought
को ही बाहर
process.
निकालना है,
Yes,
हाँ.
yes. Okay.
Okay.
So I would like all of you to sit comfortably
Okay.
and close your eyes.
Lovely.
So while you're closing your eyes, take a long deep breath and breathe out. One more time. Breathe in and breathe out. One more long breath and breathe out. Focus on your heart. See how beautifully it is working. Even you can see the color red also. Now, ask your heart, where would you like to work? Now. You can choose any thought process, you can choose any kind of fear, doubt, confusion, conclusion that you must have in anything. And just check where it is in your body you are feeling that. Now, take your any dominating hand and feel that you are pulling that energy, that thought that is disturbing you out from the body, pulling it out and giving it to sun. The sun you can imagine above your head also, or in front of you also, like I'm imagining in front of me. Just pull it with your hand. Give all to this one. Now, from the sun, you can ask, please give me refreshing energy, balance energy. It's like when you have cleaned something, you have to fill that area with a pure or good energy. You're filling that gap with sun's energy. You can even feel some kind of blessings are coming above from your head, and your whole body is covered with it. You can ask your cells, molecules of your body, please fill with that energy. And now, with this feeling, you are full with it. You may open your eyes.
My God, it was really amazing. Thank you so much for this.
Welcome.
This was so amazing. I'm sure my team is also feeling the same.
I'm hoping.
Such
Yes, they are
calming
feeling good.
spiritual journey. Everything just came together. It was lovely, wonderful.
Yes, it is like instant cleansing.
Yes.
Yeah, so every night before sleeping also you can do it. And it is like पूरा दिन का जो आपने जो भी स्ट्रेस लिया है, जो भी आपका अप एंड डाउन है डेली लाइफ में, you can just release it and sleep with good night sleep. And the people who are having disturbed sleep, why they are not able to sleep is the one thing is that they are having so many thought processes going on.
Yes, precisely.
So you can guide, or you can, while you're clearing that with the process, only the good thought will stay. Rest all you can do. That also you
That
can.
is amazing. That is
Yes.
amazing.
With a small tip. I have add on into that. So if you are not having anything to release or take out, you can ask that also.
Okay.
So somewhere in your body, in your energy field, anywhere, it must have taken its space.
Yes.
So you're clearing that space, you're making yourself so much powerful and empowered with this and full with it.
Wow, that was amazing. It's always a blessing. And there's going to be a small thank you note, so just hold on. It was a lovely experience. And I'm sure कि ये सेशन के बाद हमारी ऑडियंसेस के पास बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस होंगे जो उनको पूछने होंगे, लाइक क्या करना है, कैसे करना है. And
Many, I am open to give them answer. But a common question, it may come or it must be there. They must be thinking about that. Yeah, can they drink something? Can they eat something? Yes, they should and they can. Why they should? Because sometime when you are doing this cleansing work and all, your body chemicals changes.
Okay.
Because you're working till the level of cells, molecules. So your body feels hungry or thirsty. Please give some food or water if you feel like.
Okay.
It's not necessary also.
अच्छा.
Sometimes you want to sit for longer time. Just give yourself time to come out.
Okay, that's quite interesting. That's
you
really
can
good.
do that way. It's not no hard and fast rule. Everybody, every person's body reacts differently.
Yes, right.
So we should work accordingly.
Sure, definitely. So please कुछ खा लेना, कुछ पी लेना.
required.
Yeah, if required. just जबरदस्ती से कुछ नहीं डालना है. So amazing. I'm sure आप लोगों का भी experience बहुत अच्छा रहा होगा. I had a blast because it's always a pleasure to be around you, just to be around your energy. So thank you so much. And I know I am not that big a person to really thank you, but as a token of gratitude, this is just a small thing that I wish to.
Okay, I think I should stand to receive that.
So this is just a small token of love and
you.
gratitude.
Thank
of course,
you.
I can't
Thank you so
award her for whatever she's done to me, to my life, to be present here, to raising my
I'm
energies.
so glad.
I'm so grateful, so grateful.
glad. Thank you so much.
This is to the woman who made it happen, to the wonderful, awesome woman, and because of whom यहाँ पे ये एक awesome woman already खड़ी है.
This is a feeling every woman should have.
Yes, I am a life example.
Yes.
So thank you very much for watching, and I'm
Thank
really
you.
obliged.
Thank you so much, Ruxana.